Hello kids, nice to meet you again. How are you? Today we are going to learn about Tara, science. We will have new topic. Do you know what is it about? Okay, today our topic is about making sounds. Making sounds? Can you hear my voice clearly? I hope you can listen it very well. Alright. Actually, you can listen, you can hear the sound everywhere you are. For example, can you guess where am I? Yes, you are right. I am in the kitchen. After this, I want to drink coffee. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, this one. Can you listen the sound? Yes. I'm stirring the coffee. Of course, because you have listened the sound, I want to give you exercise. What is it about? Okay, you can check later in the exercise below. Okay, like this. Where am I? I am in the kitchen. And then sound you hear. What is that? Sound. What sound do you hear? Stirring. What is stirring? Stirring in bahasa is mengaduk. And then source of the sound. What is that? The source. Cup and spoon. Do you get it? Okay. Let's try by yourself. You can go everywhere. Maybe two places, two rooms in your house. You can go to the living room, maybe kitchen or bedroom, and then listen the sound, and then answer the questions that I give to you. Okay, bye bye. I want to drink.